good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. This is Forex Trading Course 101. Happy Monday, yes sir, happy Monday. Remember everybody, what is my message? Trading is a learnable skill. When we learn in the correct way the three pillars, right? Pillar number one is the market, everybody. We are trying to learn about the market with those modules in here. Pillar number two is the strategy. We are going to learn the strategy in the advanced module. And the big one, the trader. We are going to learn about the trader more in the Forex course 202. And talking about trading, what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders always say that I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas. And my 50 cents on the left: when the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Remember everybody, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Yes sir, Japan, Alaska, Brazil, USA, Canada, Switzerland, Croatia, Russia, Ukraine, Scandinavia, Great Britain. 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Allah, my friend, long time no see. How is trading going? Allah, did you improve anything? How is trading going? And this disclaimer everybody, these stream lessons are not trading or investment advice. Those are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And for homeworks and questions, you have my new Gmail. Skype still the same, and you can follow me on TradingView. That being said everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that is in an uptrend. Okay, so we are moving forward. This is our 6th lesson about candlestick formations, and today we are going to do another exercise. In the meantime, we are going to open USD/JPY, if there are no other requests. USD/JPY, 4-hour chart, right? Everybody, do we agree that we are in an uptrend here? 4-hour chart. Do you want, everybody, 4-hour chart? Do you want the 2-hour chart, or do you prefer the daily? Which one do you prefer? 4-hour chart, okay, daily. 1-hour chart, which one? Hello Trader Olufemi, how are you? Okay, right? It's okay. Okay, everybody. So, do we agree? Let's go on the daily first to draw trend lines, right? We've learned how to draw trend lines. If this is your first time with us, everybody, please go back to Dukas Copy YouTube webinar page, streaming page, and start to watch lesson number 1, what is market structure. We learned how to draw trend lines, right? Long term, medium term, short term, and aggressive one. Okay, very good, right? There you go. Okay, so we are going to start from here, everybody. Extension, and remember we learned about the market wave 2, right? So extension retracement, okay, extension retracement. So we're going to implement the knowledge from before. Okay, everybody, do we agree? So this is the daily, everybody. Do we agree that the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then broke up? Everybody, do we agree on that? That this was the lowest low, this was the market wave, and from the daily the market broke the counter trend line in here. Do we agree? Freedom, this is my first time. Help me. go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page. Hello Julius, how are you? Yes, okay, very good. Now the exercise today, everybody, is going to be what happens if you have two traders and one is obeying the rules. Trader number one by bullish candlestick formation, BCF, bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend, and trader number two is a smartass. Trader number two is a smartass, and he's going to sell bearish candlestick formation, bullish. Trader number two is a smartass. You know, he or she is smart. I'm going to sell bearish candlestick formation in an uptrend. Okay, let's see how it's going to play out. Make sense, everybody? You have somebody who is following the rules and learning, and you have somebody who is not following the rules. Make sense? Okay, and to be fair to the smart ass, we are going to put the stop loss above and below candlestick formations. Fair enough? Because when we do this type of exercise, the smart ass start to complain, yeah, but this is not fair, because when you buy the bullish, you put the stop loss below the uptrend line. Fair enough? Okay. Okay, so we are here, right? Now we are going to go on the 4-hour chart. Everybody, 4 hour, where is the text? Text, where is the text? There you go. Text, right? Text, there you go. Text in here. Okay, very good. So this is the price action, everybody. You don't see the future, right? You don't see the future. This is the price action, and so far the trend line, the uptrend line, so this is from the daily, out, daily, out, daily, out. So from the 4-hour chart, this is the trend line so far. Agreed? Okay, fair enough, right? This is the trend line. Now let's start to monitor the market, and this is the market, of course. Okay, we are going to use counter trend line breaks with bullish and bearish candlestick formation. So this is the first one, everybody. Question: do we have or do we have not a bullish candlestick formation? And we said that, well, we are going to enter at with the candle and stop loss below or above candlestick formations. Agreed? To be fair to the smartest. This is me. Thank you for being honest. You know. Okay, clone. And we're going to do one per one, right? Makes sense, everybody? To be fair, right? To be fair to the traders who are not listening to the concepts, to the students and traders who are saying, oh, this is all the same. Well, let's backtest the strategy, right? To see if this is all the same. So we have one, you know, this is the counter trend line break, closed body candle above that counter trend line, 1 for 1. So trader number one, we have one win, right? We win one win, this one. And let's wait, let's monitor now. Everybody, is this a bearish candlestick formation right now? For the trader who is not going to obey the rules, is going to short, right? In an uptrend. So is this blue, everybody, is this a bearish engulfing candle kind of? And if you're trader number 2, everybody, it's not a problem. You can say, well, I would like to see another one, right? But anyway, trader number 2 is not going to follow the concepts. Trader number 2 is a smartass. He or she is going to sell bearish. I'm going to scalp the uptrend, right? Let's see how this is going to play out. Is anybody in here online who wants to short the market right now? Or is somebody who says, oh, I want to see another one before I short? There's no right or wrong. Trader Julius, would you short the market? Trader Olufemi, would you short the market? Trader Ala, would you short the market in here? We're going to go 1 for 1, to be fair. Nobody has courage to short the market? Some of you are doing this right now, come on. Some of you are doing this right now. Let's backtest the strategy. You know? FXFreedom concept, it's okay, but I'm going to do it my way. Because shaky trades is sell, it's shorting in an uptrend, you know, the super mega JP Morgan Forex YouTube trader is shorting the market in an uptrend. He's telling everybody's going to be rich in a year, right? So I'm going to do something like this. No, nobody has courage. So let's say, right, if you want to see another candle, then you are not going to enter in here, you are going to enter on the next one. Fair enough? This is, yes, this is a bearish engulfing candle, like this one, right? This one, it's a bearish engulfing candle. This engulfed, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kind of, you know, it's stronger than this one, agreed? Anyway, let's say that a trader is not going to listen to the concepts and he or she is going to short right now. Fair enough? Some people think like this, oh, it's, you know, it's still going to be above the uptrend line, why not? So let's see how this is going to play out. I've stopped doing it, you can't win going against the trend, congratulations to you. But, oh my god, bam! So trader number 2, and don't worry, trader number 2 is just 1, right? So trader number 2, we have 1 loser. We lost 1, right? Okay, trader number 2, 1 lost. Is anybody in here who wants to enter long on this beautiful bullish engulfing candle? We are going 1 for 1. There is no right or wrong, right? Well, you don't have a counter trend line break here to go to see a retracement, right? The simple trading strategy would be buy or sell, bullish or bearish, candlestick formation in an uptrend, downtrend with a counter trend line break. Okay, so we are going to be fair, we are going to use counter trend line breaks. No, you know, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Right, we're still in an uptrend, market moving up and sideways kind of, right? This is the uptrend line, and you know, in here, maybe not the best one, right? In here, bullish candlestick formation again. You know, this would be our entry, stop loss down here. We are going 1 for 1. Don't be happy, you are going to have the occasional loser time to time, everybody. But in a what is the lesson today, everybody? Is how to think. When you are backtesting something, you want to see how this philosophy, how this formula, how this strategy is going to play out in a series of 10 trades. Make sense? Not 1 or 2 would not be fair. 10 trades, 20 trades, whatever might be the case. So you have 2 traders, one is following the concept, another one is going against the concept. Make sense? So let's see, and sideways and up and down, right? Up and down, indecision candle, one more, bam. Now, who in here wants to short the market right now? This is a great counter trend line break, and the market is so the trader number 1 buying bullish candlestick formation, you know, it didn't hit the take profit level. Now we are losing, right? From before, trader who was listening to the concept won 1, trader who did not lost 1. Now, is anybody in here who want to short the market right now? Bearish candlestick formation. Let's see how this is going to play out. And I'm sorry, I did not put, so this is the trader number 2. He or she is shorting the market, right? Because he or she is smart, right? Okay, so we are still here and up and down and sideways, and we have another, if you want, counter trend line break, everybody, to go long here. So we have this one to go long, we have this one to go long, right? So this would be our entry to go long, and let's color code this differently to, now there you go, 1 for 1. Let's see how this is going to play out, sideways and bam. So the trader who is buying bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend, he won in here, he won in here, she won in here, won in here. The trader who is shorting the market against the trend, as trader Olufemi is pointing out, the trader who is shorting the market against the trend, what happened? Now this is not enough. Clone, trader number 1, we have the second win, and trader number 1, we have the third win, right? Edit label, this is our third win. Okay, don't be happy, you are going to have the occasional loser. When the market starts to retrace, trader number 2, you have the second loser in an uptrend. Now let's move forward, everybody. This is the market, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and here we go again. Counter trend line break, bullish candlestick formation. For the trader who is following the concept, we go 1 for 1, clone, and let's see if there is a bearish setup. Let's see, maybe not the best one, you know, maybe not the best. Down, this is a great setup, right? So there you go. Is anybody in here who wants to go short again? You have 2 traders looking at the same chart. One is going to buy, the other one is going to sell. There is no right or wrong, but the concept, talking about Japanese candlesticks, the trading concept is stating in an uptrend. Take a pen and paper and write this down. In an uptrend, I'm just going to buy bullish candlestick formations. In an uptrend, I'm just going to buy bullish candlestick formations, and I'm never, ever, ever, ever going to sell bearish candlestick formations. And in a downtrend, I'm going to sell bearish candlestick formations, and I'm never, ever going to buy bullish candlestick formations. Make sense, everybody? In an up market wave, in an up market wave on the daily, monthly, weekly, daily market wave, I'm going to buy bullish candlestick formation on the monthly, weekly, daily, and I'm never going to sell bearish candlestick formations. In a down market wave, and you can study the charts, in a down market wave, I'm going to short bearish on the monthly, bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly candlestick formations, and I'm never going to buy. Those are the concepts from the Forex course 101. And some of you, you are smart. You say, well, this is all the same. Well, let's see. Let's see if this is all the same. Olofemi, entries close to trend lines give you better entries. If mix change trends, you will see it early. Excellent, we agree. But today, everybody, we are doing this why to show you what happens if you obey the rules and what happens if you don't obey the rules, right? So the smart traders who are not obeying the rules, wow, right? The guy or the girl, the trader who is obeying the rules, they lost one, we have a loser. And finally, the traders who are going against the rules, yeah, man, we have one winner, right? So trader number 3 have one win, right? So now we are back to square. We're back to 2, right? So edit label, trader number 1, 3 wins, minus one loser equals to 2 winners, right? This is trader number 1. Trader number 2, has 2 losers, edit label, plus 1 winner equals to 1 loser. I'm right. How we think, huh? I'm right, but I'm still not making any money. I was right to short the market up in here, right? I'm right because I'm right because I'm right. I was right, but yeah, okay. I'm still not making any money because I lost 2 times. Now I won the first one. And let's continue. Counter trend line breaking here, everybody. Okay, who in here? Whoops, not fair. I already showed to you. But the next one I'm going to ask you, would you enter the market, yes or no? So this is counter trend line break, bullish candlestick formation, and clone. Let's see how this is going to play out. Question, who in here wants to short the market? We have 2 traders. One is buying the uptrend, the other one is shorting the uptrend with the bearish candlestick formation, and this is a beautiful bearish candlestick formation. To go short, right? Circle. Beautiful bearish candlestick formation to go short. Everybody, is anybody in here who want to short the market? No. No. Yes, very good. No. No. Everybody, if you short the market right now, tell me, are you shorting an uptrend or are you shorting a downtrend? Freedom, how do you know? Look at the chart. Look at the chart. If you short the market right now, Are you shorting an uptrend or are you shorting a downtrend? Type in the chat, everybody. Don't be shy. We don't bite. We're here to learn. If you short, yes, this is a bearish, yes sir, this is a bearish candlestick formation, yes sir. But if you short the market right now with a counter trendline break, are you shorting an uptrend or are you shorting a downtrend? Forex course 101 traders. There is no right or wrong. You don't have a boss. You are free to do whatever you want. If you short the market right now, are you shorting an uptrend or are you shorting a downtrend? Meaning, are you going against the trend or are you going with the trend? What is the correct answer? No, there is no right or wrong. Against. Very good. So think with me. Okay? Oh, but I'm a scalper. It doesn't matter. Think with me, everybody. If you short an uptrend and if you win, did you win because you are a trader and you understand what is happening in here, or did you win because you got lucky? What's the answer? Freedom, can you repeat please? Yes sir. This is probabilistic thinking, everybody. When you take in consideration market structure, highs and lows and trends, support, resistance, pivot points and candlestick formations, and you go against the pattern, whatever the pattern might be, it might be support, resistance, pivot points on the monthly, weekly. It might be the monthly, weekly, daily candlestick formations. It might be short-term trends. When you go against the trend or the pattern and you won, did you win because you understand what is happening or did you get lucky? Thank you very much. You got lucky. Everybody, if you got this today, you are one step further. Make sense? Some of you are sending emails. Can I trade with you? Yes, you can. But before you trade with me, it doesn't matter retail or in an institution, company, hedge fund, you need to explain how you win and need to explain how you lose. Make sense? And this is one today. I'm going to short the market and please God help me, you know. God doesn't want to help me, right? You know, I try to. So this was the shorting the market, you know. Background color, foreground color, there you go. Shorting the market, you know, clone. Please God help me make some money. And another trader is going to buy in here again, right? So we're going to clone this one. So I'm here, this is my, and clone again. Let's see who is going to win. Now, oh my gosh, down, and so trader number one, loser, right? This trader number one, let me see, one loser, two losers. Trader number one, clone. Trader number one lost on this, oh no, it's already. So it's one more loser, right? Two more losers, very good. Trader number one, everybody. Okay, we are back to 2 wins. Now we have -2 losers equals to 0. No profit. No profit for the trader who is following the concept and the rules, everybody. And the trader who was shorting the market, one more maybe, you know, it's a winner, 2 winners, right? So trader edit label, 1 loser, now plus 2 winners, you know, it's 1 winner. This is the situation right now. The trader who was listening to the concepts, everybody, he's back to square zero, and the traders who is not listening to the concepts, right, he has 1 winner. See how this works, everybody? Now you are breaking the rules, right? You are breaking the rules, me too, we are breaking the rules, right? And we are winning, and we are telling, yeah, you know, we got lucky, right? We are winning, everybody. Polyline, we are winning, right? And so I'm winning, I'm breaking the rules, and I'm telling myself, you know, oh, I got lucky, right? If you understand that you got lucky, everybody, why are you keep doing this? This is the big question today. You are following the rules, you are working hard, buying bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend, and you won 3, you lost 3, you are back to 0. Your friend Gianpaolo is making fun of you, he is doing the opposite and he is winning. And you are saying, well, Gianpaolo, you got lucky. Or this is maybe you, you know? Yeah, I'm winning, but I'm winning by luck, right? How many of us are winning, doing the wrong things, you know, and keep doing it, right? How do you know freedom? Because I was the same. We're all the same. Make sense? We're all the same. So let's see how this is going to play out. So now we're in a downtrend, right? Now we're in a downtrend, we're going to wait. So the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? We're going to wait for the market to start move back up again. Now back up again, we need a hard high. There you go. Now we're back into the uptrend, right? Now we're back to the uptrend. Very good. So let's continue our journey. Let's see who is going to win in the end, right? Who is going to be profitable at the end of the month or at the end of the year? So we are here, market making hard highs, hard lows, and wait, there you go. This is the trend line, right? Now, this is the counter trend line break, one more time. So the trader number 1 it's with 0, trader number 2 is with 1 winner, bam, we have a bearish candlestick formation again. So let's keep doing the same way, right? This would be 1 for 1, clone, and let's color code this in red because this is the trader number 2, he's shorting the market. And 1, 2, let's see, 1, right? Winner, 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 let's make it a winner. Trader number 1, 1 more winner, edit label. So it has 2 winners, you know, plus 1 winner. 1 winner equals to 2 winners, right? Somebody's typing, I'm so curious how this is going to play out. Me too, right? Isn't this demotivating, everybody, that your friend is breaking the rules and he's winning? How many of you have friends that are not studying, they are playing around and they are winning? Isn't this dismotivational? Right? And 1, 2, 3, now Here we go back again. Counter trend line break. Now we're going to adjust the trend line one more time. Now here is the trader number one buying candlestick formations in an uptrend again. Okay, so this is going to be one and clone and 1, 2, 3 up, counter trend line break, short line, and so let's crop this in green again, and it's decision time, right? Clean again, green again, you know, because this trader is going to clone one more time. This trader is going to short the market, to go after 2, clone. Let's see, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and again, you know, counter trend line breaking here, bearish candlestick formation. So the trader number 2 that has 2 winner, he just lost one, so minus 1 loser equals 2, still winning, 1 winner. Good morning, boss. Jan is saying, I have had a lot of those. Most of them are quiet either for years now or for months. One lost all in crypto 2017, other are post 2020 March only long trades. Not rules at all from what I heard, only boasting and then silence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for being honest. Just a comment on having rules. See everybody? Professional traders are rule-based. But we are going to talk about the strategy in the future lessons. Let's see how this is going to play out, everybody. Say hello to our boss. Yanis is here. Our captain. So the trader number 2 who is not following the rules and the concepts, you know, let's see how this is going to play out, right? And let's see, please God help me make some money, right? Let's see, oh my gosh, you know, sideways and counter trend line break for this trader, trader number 1, you know, green one here, clone. We are fair to both traders. We're going to 1 for 1, right? Clone. Let's see how this is going to play out, right? And oh my gosh, sideways. Oh, please God, you know, help me. Trader number 1. No, we lost on this one, right? So loser. Trader number 1 is a loser. And so edit label -1 loser equals to 1 loss. 2 losers, fair enough. 2 losers, -1 loser equals to 2 losers, right? And trader number 2, 1 winner, 2 winners, right? One more. So 1 more winner here. Edit label, 1 more winner plus 1 winner. Not this one. 2 losers. Trader number 2 plus 1 winner equals to 2 winners. Okay, so back again, everybody. If we compress the chart, if we compress the chart, we are not in an uptrend, right? Not in an uptrend anymore. We are still in a downtrend. Come on. Somebody's typing ha 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 ha. Fair enough, right? Fair enough. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay. Let's compress the chart. We need to see higher highs, higher lows. Back again. Back again, we're going to adjust our trend line. So we're here, everybody, again. Market making hard highs, hard lows, right? Ha ha ha. Let's see. Let's see if FXFreedom knows what he's talking about, huh? Or is this all theory and BS? And let's see. So we are here. Okay, we were in a downtrend, now we're back to an uptrend, right? Agreed, everybody? Market was making lower lows or highs, now it's making higher highs, right? This is the higher high. So we're monitoring the market, 1, 2, 3, and counter trend line break. There we go again, right? There we go again, and so this would be the entry to go long, 1 for 1, clone, 1 for 1. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bam, okay, trader number 1, finally. You know, pays out to listen to the rules and concept. 2 losers plus 1 winner equals to 1 loser. So trader number 1 is still losing, trader number 2 is still winning, right? Let's see the next one, bam. This one, trader number 2, right? Counter trend line breaking here, counter trend line breaking here, you know, so this would be 1, right? Clone. Almost, should we give him a winner, everybody? The retracement made trader number 1 win because of the short-term downtrend. Not a problem. Not a problem, everybody. All of you, don't despair. Makes sense? What you are learning today, everybody, is that if you are following the rules and the concepts, right? And this is the short-term trend, you know, you are going to have the winners up in here, and here you are going to have the occasional loser. Make sense? But then, if those rules and concepts stays, then you are going to recover all your losing trades. And with the trader number 2 is going to be in reverse. Trader number 2, who is not obeying the rules, and he's doing the opposite thing. He's going to have here a few winners, you know, and then he is going to start to lose again. Watch this webinar a few times, everybody, this stream, and you are going to notice what? That this trader number 1 start to win, trader number 2 start is a loser, but then trader number 1 who is obeying the concept start to lose. And this is disheartening, right? And this sucker here starts to win. And we're here looking at the chart, so, oh my gosh, you know, he's breaking the rules and he's winning, right? Because some of you are seeing your friends and family doing stupid things and winning, and you say, oh, you know, why should I work this hard? Because he's doing the exact opposite and he's winning. But as our Captain Yannis said, you know, in a series talking about consistency and talking about month after month after month, those guys there disappear. But you know, this is one thing is, you know, just talking. Another thing is, well, let's see it on the chart. Make sense? So let's see how this is going to play out. So this was a winner. Let's be fair with the trader who is breaking the rules. Let's give him a winner, you know. So another winner for the trader who is breaking rules. Plus 1 winner. So he has 3 winners. right? 3 winners. Let's see how this is going to play out. So big winner, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sideways, right? You know, one more, bam. Counter trend line break, maybe not the perfect one. So the trader who is obeying the rules is going to go long on this one. Bullish candlestick formation. 1 for 1. Let's see how this is going to play out. Sideways and up and sideways, bam. You know, did we lose again? Yes, we did. Trader number 2. Edit label. So +1 loser equals to 2 losers. 2 losers. And here is where trader number 2 is going to smile and have fun. And this one, clone, come on. And so this is the entry, 1 for 1, right? Clone, clone, 1 for 1. Let's see. Going down, up, down, maybe not the okay, we have another here to go long. Counter trend line break, indecision, right? We learned this, everybody. Indecision, indecision. Okay, so this is going to be the counter trend line break. Clone. This is going to be trader number 1 and clone. Let's see how this is going to play out. We have still uptrend line, right? Freedom, why is trader number 1 winning and he is not for trader number 2? Trader number 2. Julius, let me finish, then I'm going to explain to you why this is happening. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, one more. Please, God help me, you know. So, what just happened? Trader number 2 lost 1. Doesn't matter, right? So +1 loser equals to 2 winners. Trader number 1 won. Edit label. +1 winner equals to 1 loser. Still negative, right? 1 for 1. Let's see. Moving forward. 1, 2, 3. Up. And, well, maybe not the perfect one, right? Maybe not the perfect one, but still a counter trend line break in here. Agreed, everybody? Maybe not the perfect one. But this is a bearish engulfing candle. And clone. And now this is going to be 1 for 1. And clone. Down here. And sideways, and maybe not the perfect one. Okay, so here we have a counter trend line break, not the best one, but still to go long. This is a bullish candlestick formation. This is tweezer bottoms in here. From the previous lessons, everybody, we checked how those candles are played out. This is an entry. So trader number 1 is here, trader number 2 just lost 1, right? Trader number 2 lost 1, so down, 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 +1 loser equals to 1 winner. And trader number 1 won 1, so +1 winner equals to back to square 0, right? So 1 winner, 1 loser. Okay, we are 0, no money. You know, or I should say 1 winner, right? We didn't say not 0 to win, loser. Okay, 0, fair enough. Now let's see how this is going to play out. So clone 1 for 1, 1 for 1. Background color and clone. We're going for 1 for 1. uptrend line still continuing. And let's see, okay, again another bearish candlestick formation, right? Everybody, we are keep doing what we've done before. So this is a bearish candlestick formation again. Trader number 2 who is not obeying the rules, he or she is going to short. This is the entry to go short. 1 for 1. Clone. Right? Let's see how this is going to play out. And oh my gosh, you know, bam, lost again. See everybody what's happening? For the trader who is not obeying the rules, +1 loser. Equals to 0. Trader number 1 is not obeying the rules. Trader number 2 is not obeying the rules. Trader number 1 is obeying the rules. So we have another counter trend line break here to go long. Clone. This is our entry. We are going 1 for 1 to be fair to the smartest, you know. Let's see how this is going to play out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, sideways, maybe, you know. Bam! Now we have for the trader who is not obeying the rules, right? Shorting the market again. Clone. So this would be the entry and clone again. 1 for 1. Let's see, bam! Won. Trader number 1 who is obeying the rules. One more loser. Edit label. +1 loser. Yes, we're going to speed up, everybody, don't worry. So we have 1 loser. Trader number 2 who is breaking the rules, edit label, has a +1 winner. +1 winner equals to 1 winner. Okay, so let's see next one. Going down, going down, going down. Oh my gosh, going down. So we need to address our trend line. Going down, going sideways, still down. Going sideways, right? Let me see how far we can go. Going down. Okay, there we go, everybody. Still back up. Back up again, right? So we need to... Come on. We need to address our uptrend line, right? Agreed, everybody? So the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And... Come on. Start somewhere from here, right? Fair enough? You don't have the crystal ball, but here you're going to see the market making higher highs, higher lows, right? Agreed? Not in the very beginning, would not be fair because we don't have the crystal ball. Okay? Now, moving forward, we're almost out of time. So we are here and counter trend line break, everybody. I'm going to speed up, right, a little bit. Counter trend line break for going long and 1 winner. So this was an entry, 1 for 1, clone. Not yet. Oh yes, it's a winner for the trader who is following the rules. And counter trend line break for the trader who is not following the rules. Let's see how this is going to play out. And so counter trend line break for the trader who is obeying the rules. So this one, this is green, and clone this one. So in here, right, come background color red. Clone red. The trader who is not obeying the rules lost again. Not a problem. This trader is going to enter here. 1 for 1. Won again. Right. Counter trend line break in an uptrend. Moving forward. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe not the best one. Not the best one. waiting. Okay, maybe this one, not the perfect one, somebody's going to complain, fair enough. You know, but this was an entry for the trader who is buying candlestick formations in an uptrend. So this was an entry like this. One more. Not this one, not this one, wait, one more. Counter trendline break, clone. This is I would not take this one as consideration, right? Maybe something like this. Clone and counter trendline break maybe. Okay, not sideways. Okay, so we are until here, right? We are until here. Let's see our result. So we did until here, right? So trader number 2 lost 1 in here, so edit label +1 loser equals to square 0, and the trader number, whoops, wrong one. So trader number 2 +1 loser back to square 0, and trader number 1, edit label, how many winners? 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, +4 winners equals to 3 winners. Right? So far, right? Until here. So let's wait for, oh, another one, you know, counter trendline break for the trader who is not obeying the rules, right? Clone. So this would be the counter trendline break. This is the formation. Clone. 1 for 1. Bam, lost again. Where is the trader who is breaking? See, everybody? Freedom, this is so difficult. Right? Where are we? What is difficult? Freedom, this is so difficult to have faith, right, everybody? So the last one was here. Loser, not clone. Edit label. +1 loser equals to 1 loser. Everybody, what is your we're almost out of time. What is the result? Meaning we've done this until here. If we zoom out from the very beginning, everybody, if we zoom out from the very beginning, this is trader number 1, this is trader number 2, and a little bit like this, right? Come on. And here is the result, right, everybody? What do you think? It pays out to follow the rules and the concepts, everybody? And somebody's typing freedom, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. Somebody's saying, well, it's difficult to sustain the faith. What do you think? What is your conclusion, everybody? So this is so far. Do you think it's worth to follow the rules? Or it's all the same, the trader number 2 who is doing exactly the opposite is going to win? Everybody, watch this lesson 2 or 3 times and get aware how the profitability of trader number 1 was making money, then start to lose, then start to make money again, and the trader number 2 who was doing exactly the opposite thing, he started to lose, then he started to make money, and then he started to lose again. Somebody's typing, well, I'm still not convinced. Well, fair enough. Fair enough. Why not? Everybody, you can do this exercise for yourself. Make sense? And if you don't believe that it's worth following the rules and the concepts, okay, if you don't believe that it's worth, do it for yourself. Do backtest 40, 50, 60 trades, and you're going to see, everybody, the more you backtest what would happen if you would follow the rules and what would happen if you would not. I promise you, these numbers are going to get bigger. Yeah, I promise you. If you backtest 100 trades, the trader who is not obeying the concept, he's going to have about 20-30 losers. This one is going to have about 20-30 winners. Julius, why is trader number 1 winning? Because there is something called random distribution in the markets. This is why this is happening. What is random distribution, everybody? Random distribution is that a trained monkey can buy or sell a currency pair, and they made tests, you know. A trained monkey can buy or sell a currency pair like as a professional trader with all the analysis and the charts and the indicators, and the monkey can win. Julius, make sense? A monkey is going to buy in here as a professional trader, and the monkey is going to win. Does this make the monkey a trader? Everybody make sense? This is why sometimes it's disheartening to see a trader with no rules, whatever, winning, and laughing at you because you are studying so much. Make sense? But as our Captain Yannis said, our boss, check their numbers. Tell them, show me your last 3 months of trading. Show me your last 6 months of trading. And everything is going to change, you know. They don't have the numbers, make sense? Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today. See you back tomorrow. Our time is up. Stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom.